morning. I introduce myself. I am Mrs. Satyabama, working as an assistant professor in Saitha College of Nursing, CMATS, Chennai, from Tamil Nadu and India. So I would like thankful to my principal and management for this support and constant motivation of doing research. And then I would like thankful to managing editor of IJSR given opportunity to present this study. My study topic was a comparative study to assess the knowledge regarding early marriage, early pregnancy among adolescent boys and girls at Madaramangalam. Early marriage is defined as marriage carried below 19 years. 19 years before the girl is physically, physiologically, psychologically ready to accept responsibilities of marriage and childbearing. When young women um, marry early, their education, former education often terminates, preventing them to acquire knowledge and skills, determining the prospects for employment opportunities. Girl brides face isolation from school friends and workplace, and therefore lack of social support critical for their emotional well-being and economic opportunities. Teenage pregnancy is 15 to 19 years is on the emerging as a serious problem today all over the world and on the in the developing countries like India. As early marriage are the cultural norms of our society. Teenage pregnancy can have immediate and lasting consequences for young women's health, education, and income earning potential, which is often passed on her to children. Complications from pregnancy and childbirth are among the leading causes of death among women. Teenage pregnancy also contributes to illness and disability and related to fistula and unsafe abortion complications, sexually transmitted infections, and HIV. Objectives of my study to assess the knowledge regarding early marriage and early pregnancy among adolescent girls and boys, to compare the level of knowledge regarding early marriage and early pregnancy among adolescent boys and girls, to associate between selected demographic variables with the level of knowledge regarding early marriage and early pregnancy. My study materials and methods. So, a descriptive research design was done in a rural area, Madaramangalam. 50 boys and girls, 50 big girls with adolescence age are included in my study. Simple random sampling technique used structured questionnaire was to collect the data and knowledge regarding early marriage and early pregnancy among adolescent boys and girls while comparing the level of knowledge on early marriage and early pregnancy among girls and boys. The girls has 22% good knowledge than boys. Boys also have 14% knowledge. Samples are 50 boys and 50 girls adults age groups. Descriptive study was conducted during a week of period. Study period was one week. The data collection was conducted in Madaramangalam Government High Secondary School after getting permission from the headmaster of the school. Demographic variables consist of age, religion, type of family, education, socioeconomic status, educational status of mother and father, and structured questionnaire of early marriage and pregnancy. The investigation then provided instructions for filling the questionnaire, then guided adolescents, boys and girls. Understanding of each question was checked by asking the adolescent boys and girls to repeat the meaning. During the filling of questionnaire, the investigator helped the woman throughout and helped simplifying the meaning of each question, clarifying doubts and checking for completeness of filling up of the questionnaire. The results and discussion. So coming to the end, the results and discussion, the present comparative study to assess the knowledge regarding early marriage and early pregnancy results. The same study supported by that is similar findings we found in another study. So the study was conducted by B. Vandana et al. And the findings of the present study also indicated this mean and percentage of the attitude score. The schoolgirls were relatively high and showing the moderately favorable attitude of the schoolgirls. So this picture shows level of knowledge on early marriage and early pregnancy among boys and girls. So this blue color indicates below average, red is average, and then green indicates above average. 28% of girls got below average knowledge, 50% as average knowledge, 22% as above knowledge. Same like boys, 34% below knowledge, 52 has average knowledge, 14 has above average. So the present comparative study to assess the knowledge regarding early marriage and early pregnancy results are in the same. Girls 28, below average knowledge 28%, 50% yes, average knowledge. I already have explained. So comparing to the other the statistical formula, the statistics value T value also has shows the significant difference than compared to girls and boys. So the girls has more knowledge than the boys, and then their T value assessed, and then high square test also to be assessed to associate the level of associate the level with the demographic variables of this study. So the boys, the mean value 12.2.6, and then standard deviation 2.68, and then unpaired t-test calculated because boys and girls were different gender and then other. So girls also mean how girls has mean score 11.06, standard deviation 3.08, and then t value calculated for both these groups 2.07. The p-value of. So at the end, the conclusion, the findings of the present study indicated. So what is the focus of the study now? So the basic variable occupation of father and mother, education of schoolgirls was influenced on early marriage and early pregnancy, which is similar for the study conducted by Shankar Abada and Nasrin et al. In the year 2015, which revealed that education, family's monthly income, religion, are the most influential factors in determining the likelihood of early marriage at age. So, thanks for my presentation getting over. So, I'd like to thank to all, and then especially IJ sir applications.